Okay.
Okay, the first thing we are going to discuss about is the domain name today. Okay, domain name is basically nothing but the name for your website. The name for your website. Okay, we call it as a domain name because your website is going to discuss about a particular domain. Okay, your website is going to discuss information related to a particular industry or a domain. Okay, now so the name of your website, that is what we call it as a domain name. Okay, everything has a name, right? Your, the pet in the home has a name. Your water bottle even has a name. So the same way, your website will have a name, and we call that name as your domain name. And the domain name is used to open the content inside your website. Okay, the domain name, the domain name is used to open or visit the content in the website. Okay, so basically there are lots of websites like amadukkumar.com, google.com, okay, facebook.com, youtube.com. So these are all basically the websites, and the name is called as domain name. Okay, you can register, you can buy, use this domain name by yourself. Okay, so basically name of your website. Okay, and your website is going to discuss more related to a particular industry, a topic, or something like that. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay. Sir, just a second. What I have actually understand from the
no, I
domain
did
name
not
is.
complete the topic, Sudipto. Come on, I did not even start it. What is that? I understand.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, okay, okay.
Hey, so let me tell you what is this all about totally. Then once you understand what it is, then you can ask your doubts. Okay,
Okay,
so
sure,
this
sure,
is just
sure.
a start. Okay, now there
Sure,
is
sure.
something called a domain name, which is used to open any of your content that you have registered. To be very frank, okay, and the person or the organization, the person or the organization who offers, okay, the domain name is called the DNS. Okay, they are called as DNS, which is nothing but domain name service providers. Okay, so domain name service providers. Okay, so you can go and register your domain name. The domain name is unique. Nobody can own a same domain name. Okay, no two-person can own the same domain name. The domain name is unique and cannot be registered, cannot be duplicated. Okay, cannot be duplicated. So every individual has to have their own domain name. You can register your domain name for free. There are free domains available, there are paid domains available. Okay, what are the free domains? Basically, you already have a domain, you can have an account with them. Okay, I can say services like Facebook, Twitter, Blogger, WordPress. These services offers free domain for you, which means there is already facebook.com registered. If you want, you can go out and create an account with them. Okay,
Okay,
if you
okay,
want, you
sir.
can go out and
Okay,
create an account with them. They are going to spend money for themselves, maintain their own platform, and they are going to give you access. Again, you actually get a free domain name for you, which is basically I can go ahead and take my own domain name of facebook.com/my ID. Correct. This is still a website. There is another page inside a website. I am a user inside a website called Facebook, but I don't pay any money to Facebook. You are getting a point, right? So
yes, sir.
I call it for free. Okay. I also have it with the LinkedIn. Okay. I don't have to pay for LinkedIn as of now. Okay, to visit into my profile name. Okay. Even this domain name, LinkedIn. Okay, it is coming along with my username. This also I'm getting it for free. Okay, so now, so these are all the things that we need to better understand, that it's offered for free. At times you can also have it for paid domains
Okay,
means you actually own your domain. For example, amadukkumar.com is paid domain and I own it. I pay money for the domain name service provider, and my domain name service provider is Google. Okay, you see appnol.com. So this is a paid domain where I pay money to the hosting service, I mean the domain name service provider Google. Okay, so